Hey guys, welcome again, and in this video I'm going to cover everything step by step that you need to know before setting up your own blog or your website. So let's go ahead. As I have said earlier, you need three things to start your own blog or website. The first one is the right domain name, the second one is a right hosting plan, and then your blogging platform, kind of Blogger or WordPress or Joomla or any other CMS. So first we'll go in GoDaddy. As I said, I always like GoDaddy for registering domain names. I have tried others but nothing works like GoDaddy. So I'll go here and choose one domain plan like this, and I'll continue and buy one. So in this video we'll cover everything, all the three things in detail, and I'd like to cover step by step. I don't want to miss anything because you might get stuck if I'm missing anything. So follow this video and set up your own blog. So you'll go and just search this domain and buy it. Wait for some time. So you can go ahead and purchase this domain or any domain you like to. Just consider your business name or whatever is the topic of your blog. You can use that as a keyword and then go ahead and buy that domain name. So, and one more thing guys, never ever buy anything without a coupon code. Just look for coupon code. If you are watching this video, I have given in the description. If I get something, I'll update it. So for the best deals, you can always go in my description and check it, and also you can check it in Google or on other websites or any other places. But do not buy without coupon code because you will always lose money and the best deals available. Yeah, so better than regretting later, you can just try this coupon code. So last time when I purchased a domain name, I used this coupon code, so I cannot use it again. So I will just look for other and I can buy it. But here, just to show you, I will just proceed and check out, and you can confirm your billing address and everything and just buy this, place the order for this domain name. Now you need to wait for almost 8 to 10 hours, and then this domain name will be transferred to you, to your name on this address, right? So this is how you can buy one domain name. Now I'll go back in GoDaddy and now I will show you how to point out this domain name to the hosting we have taken. Suppose you have taken hosting from HostGator and you have purchased a domain name from GoDaddy. So you need to point out this domain name to HostGator. Okay, you host this website for me. So how do we do that? I will go here, and there are so many ways to do that. So I can go to my products, settings, but I will go directly here to manage my domains. Just click here, and then okay, these are the domains I have purchased from GoDaddy recently. Okay, so I have tried others too, but this is what I found the best. So see, here already I have created a blog. I will show you that blog, startbloghost.com, and here also I share all the blogging ideas, tricks. You can see here, this is my blog. Just few days back I have created it, and just you can click here and everything you need to know will be available, okay, with my video. So if you want, you can comment here and anything, and if you need any assistance, if you are not able to do anything, just comment me, I will reply, or you can call me, my number is there. So right now what I will do, just will stop this here and I will buy a hosting plan from HostGator, and then I will point this domain name to HostGator that okay, HostGator, you take this domain and you host it on internet. Okay, I don't want to buy hosting from GoDaddy because I don't like that. So let's pause. I'll go to hostgator.com and you buy a plan. We'll review the plans in hostgator.com, what are the plans available right now, and on the way I will tell you all the tricks and tips you need to know for your blogging and how can you make money from blogging. So see, if you are going So now we are on hostgator.com and we'll review a few plans here. And again I will say, do not buy anything without a coupon code. You'll get the best deals. Okay, so go in the description and see if there's a link. Just click there and try it if we are getting some discount on that, and I'll also tell you the coupons. So here see, variety of plans are available: web hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Here you can see reseller plans also if you want to sell hosting to others. Okay, but we are not going to go there, and we'll go to normal web hosting. We are not going for cloud also, as it is expensive. Yeah, it's faster, it's good, but it's expensive, so we are not going to go for expensive one right now. And here you can see there are three plans: hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. I don't think we need business plan right now. This is for big organizations or whatever. In baby plan, you can see here, you can host n number of domains. It means that your domain, your brother's domain, your sister's domain, or your friend's domain, you can host n number of domains with the unlimited bandwidth on one click. Okay, and the other plan, this is the cheapest plan, is hatchling plan. For your, if you have only one website or only one domain, you can go for this one, and this is showing you 3.95 per month. And this is not true, because we are going to apply one coupon code. I am going to give you coupon code, so you apply that and you'll get concession. So I'll go here, and just to try, if you want to try it for 1 month and just for practice or for understanding the WordPress and the hosting, you can go for 1 cent plan. It means only for 0.01 rupees you will get 1 month of hosting, any plan. So I'll just uncheck this. I don't need this at this point of time, and we'll go for 1 month. Okay, so you can go for like 10 months, 1 year, if you want to save something. And then okay, here see, it's showing $10.95, but we have one coupon code that we are gonna use it here. So I'll use the coupon code HEC25. At this moment, just go to description, you can check for the latest coupon codes, and you just use that link and validate. And again we will go here, see what is this. Okay, I'll uncheck this, validate it, and this is $0.01. So if you are new, you want to learn, you can always try for 1 month, or even if you are going for 3 to 6 months, it will not cost you much, and you can just learn the WordPress hosting and everything, and just try your own blog and your own website, and you can just go ahead and click and check out. Just you need to fill this everything here, all your billing information, credit card number or whatever, and then you can just check out and buy it for just 0.01 thing. So once you click this checkout, and once you buy this, you'll get an email. What email you'll get, I'm gonna show you. And I'll search in my email and just go here and click see. This is the information you'll get from HostGator once you purchase the plan, and they will give you your domain name. For this domain name I bought this plan, and this is the control panel address I will get. Okay, and your user ID and password, and then I'll change this password because I cannot remember this, and then your name server 1 and your name server 2, right? This is most important. You keep this email, never delete it. Okay, your IP server and all. So you need to just go there. I'll just click in on the C panel, control panel here, and I'll log in. Let's log in. So here we go. We have hosting from HostGator, and we have domain in GoDaddy, and we want to say to GoDaddy that okay, hey, you don't host my domains on internet because I don't like you. So I want to host this domain in the C panel, in the our HostGator. And here see, this is the panel for you. You will get once you purchase your hosting, and you can do whatever you want from this panel. I will just show you one by one what all you can do from this panel. First we'll go here and we'll just point out this domain to the host getter. How do we do that? I'll just go here to my email. I'll copy this name server 1. Just open one notepad and copy this both the name server to your copy paste. Then again I will just paste, and then this is 3. Okay, so you take this both the name server on your notepad and go in the GoDaddy, and suppose this is what I want to point out to HostGator, my last domain, and I will go here and say, just click here, click in the drop down and say manage DNS, okay, or set name server. You can go anywhere, just I'll go to manage DNS or set a name server, okay, fine. Then it will bring us to here, and you can see here this name server is pointing to Sedo, because this domain is currently parked on the Sedo website. I will tell you in later videos that how to park your websites or your domain names on Sedo, Voodoo or anywhere else, and how to make money from there, and how to make use of your domains. So right now these are active and these are parked on Sedo, but now I want to host this website on HostGator. How do we do that? I will just add name server here, and we have 2 name server, right, copied on our notepad. So I will add one more, and here we have 2 windows. I will say just copy the first one in first and copy the second one in the second one, and in that way you can just say okay, and again yes. So now these are still active. I will just cross link, delete this and say save. So automatically after 8 to 10 hours this will be transferred to, this domain will be transferred to HostGator hosting. You can see here hostgator.com. I'll just save it and see what message we are getting. This request has been submitted, means we have submitted a request and changes may take a few moments to take effect. Okay, it will take some time to target this domain to HostGator or to point to HostGator. So again now you can close it. We are done with this, and we will go to our panel and we'll see what else we can do here. Here we will install WordPress, all the themes, all the plugins, and we'll start blogging. So let's go ahead and wait for some time. I will come back and then again we'll install WordPress on this. Once you have changed the name server in GoDaddy, you will get a notification, okay, so that name server has been changed. See here, not this one, just here, domain status notification, that this domain is now not with the, for this domain I did last night. So this domain is not under GoDaddy. Now this domain is pointing to HostGator, and this will be hosted by HostGator. So if you have not done it, you can always reach out to them and they say, yeah, there's something wrong with the domain and I have not done it. So after this notification, it takes some 8 hours or 6 hours to get the notifications. We'll go here to HostGator cPanel and we'll install a WordPress. How do we install WordPress? There are so many ways to install WordPress on your website. We'll simply click here, WordPress installer. Just wait for some time. Okay, so we reach here on this WordPress page, and also you can go here, one click installs, and you can install from there as well. So there are so many ways. You need to select your domain from here, on which domain you want to install WordPress. That's what they're asking. So I have already installed on startbloghost.com. I am already hosting this. This is done. Okay, this is a subdomain. I will tell you later about this. And this is isctc.news. Right now on this domain I will install WordPress. I will just leave this directly. This will be directly installed to your website. I don't want to install it on some FTP or some other location. So I'll just So we need to give the blog title here. Okay, so whatever you are going to write or whatever your blog title will be, so I will say simply that. And don't worry, you can any point of time you can change it, so you don't have to worry anything right now. Just say something and just go ahead. I'll just my name and then email address and then admin user is again my name, and just move ahead. You need to do this. This is very much important. You need to agree with their terms and condition, and you can say install now. Okay, let's see. Now WordPress is installing to your website, and you can choose one of these templates if you want. So these are like, this will cost you $59, $49 and some more, and installation is complete. Okay, now you do not close this, never close this. Okay, I'll just right click and go to new tab. Okay, because once you are deleting this, you are not gonna get this ID and password again. You cannot come back on this page again, so you should not do that. Just take a notepad, note down your password, note down your ID. Okay, later I will change this ID and password, but do not do this. Now I'll go to this one, irctc.news, and you can see here this page is coming, means this page is getting created and it's moving all around the world like somewhere, and it will take some, I think 2 to 3 hours. Earlier it was taking some 6 to 8 hours, but they have improved it and it will take some 2 to 3 hours, and again your website will be live. So I'm gonna go and take a break. I'll come back after lunch, and again I will just show you how to install WordPress, how to create themes and all plugins. So just wait and I'll come back. Bye bye. So after a couple of hours I'm back, and I think I have waited enough. So I'll go again to my irctc.news, to my website, and see if it's working now or not. And when I go there, I can see my website is completely working, and yes, and this is how it looks. So this is the default theme by WordPress to your website, and this is I think 1920 and powered by WordPress. So now we are going to change the theme and completely set up our website. And this theme is okay if you want to post something, but it's not good for your branding and your whatever, the look is not as per your requirement. So we can go ahead always in our dashboard and we can change it. So I'll go to dashboard, I'll go here irctc.news, and how can you go there? You need to, I'll tell again. Okay, I'll tell again how to come there. If I'm logged out here, okay, see this. Okay, this is what our website looks like. But when you want to go to dashboard, to say /1 and you just say wp admin, type wp-admin, and you will just reach to your WordPress account. You need to just give your ID and password. You remember I've closed that window. We saved something on notepad, our ID and our password. I'll just paste my ID and paste my password from here. I'll change it later. This password I cannot remember it, and I will just log into a WordPress account. So it's asking if you want to save this password. I will say never, because I'm gonna change it and I don't want to save that password as of now. And this is my dashboard. Here I can do anything I want with my website. So I will just install another theme and post something, install some plugins and whatever. Okay, so first of all we are going to settings and we'll change the password. Before that, I just wanted to mention here, see, your website is displaying coming soon page. Just now we saw how the coming soon page looks like. So if you want to remove that, you can always click here if you are ready to launch. But let it be, I will not launch it now. I will launch it after posting something on the website. So I will go here in settings or in user. We'll go to user and I'll go to my name because I am admin here. I can change the look and feel of the dashboard, and I can go here and say generate password, and WordPress generates a password for me, and this is what is my new password. I can change it, just change it as per your requirement. Now, click here if you have a weak password and update your profile. After updating your profile, your password is changed now, and you don't have to remember that lengthy password what was generated by WordPress. So you can always go. Now we'll go to our dashboard and see what settings we can do. Okay, here on home page you see these many widgets are visible right now. So if you want to hide some of them, you can always go here, screen option, activity, quick draft. Suppose you can see here, this is the quick draft, and if you want to hide it, if you don't want to use it anymore, you can always uncheck this. WordPress news I don't want, welcome. So this is how you can do it. Connect to opt-in monster, these things I will simply unhide. Okay, hide it. So now I'll visit my website and just see how it looks. You can see here the same thing we saw. I'll go back again to my dashboard and I will choose a theme. I'll just go here to appearance and themes. So there are thousands and thousands of themes are available in WordPress to choose from. If you want to download theme from anywhere else apart from WordPress, you can always do that, and you should download the zip file. Any website, if you go to Google and just say download WordPress theme, you will get tons of websites or tons of companies, those who sell these WordPress themes. So I'll say download WordPress theme, and you should open it now. See here, this is WordPress only. If you are going to theme, okay, themes.com 50 plus here also, corlib, and you can easily install one of these themes to use, and you have to just go here in WordPress and you need to upload. You remember you need to upload only zip file. Okay, but here we are not going to download and upload anything. You need to just download here zip file and upload in the WordPress, but we are not going to do that. We are going to add new theme from one of these. Okay, I'll just say add new theme, and here there are so many themes available. I can go in popular and check what are the themes people are using nowadays, what themes are most popular in 2017. Let's check it out. So you can see these themes are popular nowadays in WordPress, and 2016 these are default ones. So I'll go ahead and just see. If you want, you can install this theme and you can just try this, use it, but before using it I will just preview it how it looks. You can see here how many stars it got. You can check the documentation of every theme. Okay, you can go to themes website and check what are the facilities available for free, and if you want to take a premium one, how much it will cost you. Okay, so see, if you are installing this theme, how it will look. Your pages will come here, and the theme preview like this, a heading will come, your tagline, and your blogs will come in this way. So if you like it, you can always install it. I don't like it really, so I'll go back and check another themes. I know one of the theme I would like to go with is this sparkling theme. We'll go and just search for this theme, and yeah, this is the theme. Let's preview it and we can download it. We'll install and see how it looks. So again, this is a basic theme, but yes, you can go ahead with this. If you want some another theme like Divi or some premium themes, you can always check it out and install and see what is happening, what is going on. Okay, so I'll just, as of now, I'll install it and I'll show you how it looks. So one thing we need to very much remember that everything, every theme and every plugin is different. It's designed differently. So the way it works, the way it interacts, and the way it performs is very much different. So for the sparking theme, how it works, how we can change the things, how we can change the settings, everything is gonna go different. So we'll just simply go and install it. If you want, you can install this as well, but I will just install here the sparkling theme. I don't know I have chosen right thing or not. I will change it later, but just to show you, I will insert, and this, after installing, we can activate it. Go ahead and activate, and after activating, we'll again go ahead and see our website how it looks. You can see here in your themes, install themes, this is activated. You can always click here and customize, but I'll go here and visit my website and see how the website looks. And see, as I said, this is how the website looks, and I think for my content this is fine. I'm going to go with this. I just need a couple of changes in my theme, that I will do it, and I'll show how to do that. We can add menus here, we can add everything whatever we want, and this is exactly very plain and very simple theme. So let's go and we'll go to dashboard. Now we have our theme. We need to create the pages. I have already created a few of the videos. In that I have described how to create the pages, posts and categories, what is the difference, and how to create menus. So I'll go ahead and create few pages for this. I'll just delete this sample page. I don't want to keep it, or we can always go and edit it. So let's go ahead and say, what can we say? Suppose IRCTC news, and I will just delete all the content whatever is there. It is just sample. There's no category for that. This is default template. Okay, full width, no sidebar. I need sidebar for this page, so we can go, and I'll just keep it as a draft because I don't want to show public that what I'm working on. So you should always make sure that you are clicking here draft, so that, and here it's private. Okay, because you don't want to show everybody that what you are working right now. Okay, update. It might be annoying for people to reach on the website which is under construction. I'll go again, and I'll go to appearance and menus. Fine. Now when I go to menus, see there's no menu at the moment. I'll say create menu. I'll say menu name. I'll give a name like primary. I'll create menu. Okay, then After this primary, creating this menu, I will insert that page. Okay, it seems you have not saved the page. So now when we come here, we need to design our menu structure. So I'll go in pages, and we need to just go in view all and see we have two pages right now. One is home and one is IRCTC news. One is by default. So I will just click here both, and I will say add to menu, and these both will be added here to the menu. You can see here this is the custom link. When somebody types your link or web address, they will come to home page, and then the next is IRCTC news. Now the next one, if you want, you can just keep any post here, any category, anything uncategorized. You can just, if you want to add, you can add it, and you can move up and down. If you want to make it sub page, you can always do that. Okay, if you want something sub this like this. So this is how the hierarchy will work. So now we have our menus. Now we'll go to our website and see now how it looks. Before that, we need to save this menu. Don't forget to save, and we'll go there here and go to website and say, now here see, we have home, we have IRCTC news, we have categorized, we have everything what we wanted. Okay, and we have our default post here, so that we can post anything whatever we want here. So it seems is good, and you can keep posting. If you want to customize this thing, you can go to customize, and the page cannot be displayed. Okay, so our page is not yet ready, and that's why we cannot go there live. But you can go here, and in next video we'll try to learn about the plugins, how many plugins are available, and what plugins you should start using it right now. So all about all those plugins, all those settings we'll see in next video, and we'll also post something. We'll see how to manage your comments. If you are getting too much of spam comments, how to manage those. There are so many plugins to build the page, to manage the comments, for everything, and each plugin is different. So in next video I will try to cover all the plugins. Until then, bye bye. If you want to buy hosting, you just go below and see my link.